Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of unknown error occurred on the application of Yazio. You will click on settings here in this page of settings, like this, in this first page. You will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will click in this window here or in this application of Yazio, and you will click. Then you will go to first stop. You will click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Yazio. And here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you